Yeah. Brian's got his FPV gear set up. He's got his glasses. He's got this, hold on, don't go. Got this, what do you call this? Slow stick? Okay. There's the view on a 7-inch monitor from his camera mounted. And he's got his glasses on, ready to go. All right, anytime you're ready. About 20 feet. You're about 15 feet off the ground. You got good signal?
Yeah.
Well, you'll be watching the race anyway. Maybe I'll come over to watch the race. I can't believe there was transmission on that. I know. The quality of the camera.
Even the colors. It's got the dirt colored.
No, nothing more.
Careful over here. The
Power lines.
power lines, yeah. You want to go a little to your left. Keep out there.
I just wish it was a little less fisheye, you know? Yeah. That's all. It's a little less fisheye.
Still, it's not bad. No.
It's doing good.
Anyway,
I'll see over here on, this is on Astra's little screen here. That's exactly what Brian's seeing.
that's all right.
Good picture. And I think Astra's watching him in his goggles too. So,
Oh, okay. All right, whatever. All right, I'll see you this afternoon.
careful with the lines. Oh, there you go.
Porpoise in there. The fisheye kind of.
Careful, careful. You got the power lines. You got keep. Oh, you got it. You got it.
You got it. There you go. Flat and level.
Flat. Level it out. Level it out. There you go.
There you go. Now you're on the other side.
Oh, great.
It's all right.
You got it though. That was touch and go for a while there. You got it. You're leveled out now.
Now
Just
drop
take,
down.
just take it easy. Come to lower,
Too high. Look
Little-
at the cars.
a little lower.
There you go.
Now go right.
There you go.
You'll come back towards us.
There you go.
There you go. A little more throttle up. You got. Keep going. A little throttle.
You got it.
There you go. Not. You got it. You're coming out of there. You're in front of us now.
Yeah, that's great.
That was a,
Good job. Stay away from the power line.
go right. Yeah.
Go on, Wayne. Get away from the power line.
I'll be here tomorrow. We don't lose them. We crash.
Ryan's over there shaking down.
Brian's shaking probably.
Is everybody going up that now?
Yeah, is that the wind doing that?
Yeah, the porpoising.
Yeah.
Maybe CG. Maybe wind. Maybe.
Yeah, because when I had the goggles on, it didn't do that.
Maybe a popsicle stick under the back of the wing will help you. Oh, that's really cool. Wow.
Yeah, now you're going good. He's got his fly sight goggles on. He's doing good. Right now you're about 30 feet. Yeah, just keep it mellow like that.
Yeah, I can't move the stick too much or I get all disoriented.
You've got a walker coming up on the left, but he's okay. Morning. Okay, now it's not porpoising so much. It's doing good.
I'm just wondering if they did it themselves. because I
You
go
got it
there
good.
A couple weeks ago, Maryland. I said, well, we're in the area, clean up the whole area. You can get up there.
There you go. There you go. Nice. That was.
Oh, I think I peed myself.